In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an active list in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to the left here on your dashboard, hover over CRM, and you want to go to segments or lists, okay? So click on that. And then from here, you want to click on create segment top right. Now segments are basically lists. It's a similar thing. So you want to click on create a segment. And then from here, you want to select what you want to create a segment of. As you can see, you have 5 options. I'm going to do contacts right now, and you can then go and generate filters if you want to as well over here. I'm just going to keep it like this for now, and I'm going to click on next. Now once you do this here, it's going to allow you to basically include all the contacts, add filters, etc. I'm actually going to click on add filter, and I'm just going to do something super simple. So I'm just going to do a lead status is any off, and I'm going to do a new over here. Now this is now a filter, and it's going to give me my estimated results. And as you can see, when this loads in, it's going to give me 3 contacts over here. Of course, you could go much more in detail. You could go and do generate filters with AI, which is going to help you generate more advanced filters without you having to go through the hassle of actually clicking these buttons. You can just describe this with words. For example, as you can see, contacts opened an email in the last 30 days. Something like this. You could do that as well. Super simple. And then click on this next button top right. And then from here, this is the most important part. You can see it says choose processing type. We're now creating an active list. That's why you want to click on active over here. Make sure it's not static, but active. And when you do this, you can then generate a description here if you want to as well, or type it in yourself. Click on save and process segment. And that's really all you have to do to create an active list in HubSpot. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.